Do you want to learn how to use Canva AI video generator? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. First, head over to Canva app and then on here, click on video and select video 1080p. Now it's going to open up a new project, a new canvas with a white page. On the left hand side, you will find Magic Media. If you do not find this, click on apps and then inside, scroll down till you find this, more from Canva, select Magic Media from here and it's going to add it on the left. Now inside Magic Media, you can create AI images, which is powered by Leonardo AI. You can also create graphics with AI and you can create videos. These videos are powered by Runway. Now you can enter the prompt here for the video, or you can click on this Inspire Me button, which is going to add a prompt itself. Now click on Generate Video. And this is the video that Canva generated using Runway, and I can click on this and add it to our project. Right click, set video as background. And that's it. This is how to use the Canva AI video generator. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.